In a green and lush swamp, deep in the heart of Louisiana, there lived a friendly little nutria named Nutty. Nutty had a cozy burrow, but he always felt a sense of wonder and excitement in his heart. One night, as the stars twinkled and the moon shone bright, Nutty decided to embark on an adventure. He paddled his strong little tail, pushing his small body through the water. He swam past the tall cypress trees, their roots twisting like ancient fingers reaching for the sky. Nutty felt a thrill of excitement, his heart beating fast with anticipation. Soon, he reached a clearing where he spotted a glowing firefly. "Hello, Firefly," Nutty called out. The firefly blinked its light and flew closer. Nutty asked, "Would you show me the way to the Starflower Fields? I've heard they bloom only at night." The firefly agreed and led Nutty on a winding path. They passed through the whispering willows, their leaves rustling like a soft lullaby. Nutty marveled at the beauty of the swamp, its mystery unveiling itself before his eyes. After a while, they arrived at the Starflower Fields. Nutty gasped in awe as he saw the flowers glowing like tiny stars, illuminating the night sky. Fireflies danced among them, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. Nutty felt a sense of peace wash over him. As he floated among the starflowers, Nutty felt grateful for his adventure. He thanked the firefly and began to paddle back home. The journey was long, but Nutty didn't mind. He had seen the beauty of the swamp and made a new friend. Back in his burrow, Nutty lay down to sleep, his heart filled with joy and the memories of his nighttime adventure. As he closed his eyes, he could still see the twinkling stars and the glowing starflowers. It was a night he would never forget. From then on, Nutty often ventured out at night, exploring the swamp and making new friends. He learned that sometimes the most magical adventures happen when you least expect them. And every night, he would go to bed with a smile on his face, dreaming of the next adventure that awaited him.